Thank you so much for your lovely salam, and thank you so much. A bucket of thanks for your loving words about the teachers. And today, the Teachers' Day. As we know, teachers are the big heroes in our life. Without heroes, we are a big zeros, of course. So inshallah, we have to follow the instructions of our teachers, especially as Dr. Barrett mentioned, parents are our first teachers. We start from home and we continue in our school, inshallah, too, because they show us a better world. We have to respect them. Okay, today I'm gonna recite or render a nasheed about the best teacher, as Imam Tahir mentioned, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, try to follow me in the chorus. Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. الصبح بدا من طلعته والليل دجا من وفرته الله 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 الله. Say everyone. الله 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 الله. فقر رسولا فضلا وعلا أهدى السبلا لدلالته كنز الكرم مول النعم هذه الأمم لشريعته الله 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 الله. جبريل أتى ليلة أسرى والرب دعاه لحضرته فمحمدنا هو سيدنا فالعز لنا لإجابته الله 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 الله. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah khair al-jaza. Assalamu alaikum.